Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we are talking about the Dollar General clearance event that's going to be starting on Friday, June the 12th, going right to the following Thursday, the 18th. In this video specifically, we're talking about items that are in the clearance section with an additional 50% off with digital coupons, because that is our Christmas and Super Bowl. If you could possibly give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you are a content maker from a different platform, if you could share the link to the video, use the content, but share the link to the video, I would be really grateful. This video took like 2 days to put together, so any support is really appreciated, and hype the video too if you have that possibilities. Okay, so the best way to really participate is to put this video on a television and then to open up the Dollar General app and start scanning barcodes. Again, the dates are the 12th to the 18th. Before that, if you want to scout your store, meaning you go to the store, go to the clearance section or the regular aisles and look around. Do they have this stuff? Is it worth your time and gas to go to the store? As the week marches on, we're probably going to get more digital coupons to load for more deals. So just keep loading those as the week marches on. And then about 4 or 5 a.m. Eastern time, it's going to change in the system on the 12th, where items that are supposed to be on clearance, say, for example, for $1, will start showing at 50%. And for the brevity of this video, we're looking at items at 50% off, not 70. The 70 stores are harder to find. Congratulations if you can find it, but we're looking at 50% off. An additional 50% off if you want to pause it right here, all these other categories, but we're specifically looking at clearance stuff with digital coupons. So pause this right here if you want to say, like, get in on some purple dot home. That would be 50% off. And why the clearance event is so advantageous, it's when you can get the soft soap for $1. I was getting those Batman body washes, I think, for free. I mean, everything was so cheap the last time this came around in May. So it's just to get organized, to know what you're looking for, and it's really worth it when you can get a cart full of stuff. And that's what we love to do as extreme couponers. Along with, if your store might bring out these gray totes, often there are pennies peppered in it. I know the March and May sale, they went through all of them. They were like super strict about the penny items, but they might slip up, and hopefully this is the time that they do, because I would love to find a billion pennies inside of one of these. Let's get right into the matchups. The first one is this Suave deodorant for men. I'm thinking it's going to be a freebie. We have this very goofy coupon, and the last time the coupon came around, it was $1 off 3. This is a 2 off a 6, which in theory shouldn't work, but last time it took the full amount off and it made the item, which was a body wash, completely for free. And it's kind of tracking the same way. If you want to play cautious, wait for me on Friday. I'll let you know if it works yay or nay. But it was working on this body wash, and they had tables and tables of this specific body wash, and they had them on sky shelves. I did see them throughout the store, so load that coupon. We possibly will have a freebie with that. And I'm really hoping it works. And I'll let you guys know for sure. And then also, Fetch Rewards has this 1,250 points back when you spend 10, and the Dollar General is the third itemized store if you look below. So definitely save those receipts and photograph them to Fetch for extra points. This razor, the Schick Extreme 5, I did see them at a couple of stores. We have a $3 coupon. I think this is going to be like $2.90 starting on Friday. So with the $3 digital, it makes it completely free. And I'm just going to give you eyes on the coupon. Here it is. So I always like it when we can get really cheap or free razors. I mean, it's completely what it's about. And don't be shy to look in the regular aisles. That's where I was finding at the last clearance event. We have this Crest Gum Detoxify, this specific one, another freebie. We have a $3 digital attaching to the fancier line. I think it's going to be, again, like $2.70, and after the coupon, it's a complete freebie, which is fantastic. So this is the coupon that you're going to load, just to show you guys. There it is. Always check the expiry dates too. I try my best, but sometimes I mess up. But this is valid till the end of the month, so you should be fine with that. And you know how I'm always like, look in the sky shelf. Look at that. Those shampoos might look like absolutely nothing to you, but we got a 3 off a 2 coupon and they're all clearancing out. The store didn't pull them, and that's where I find most of my stuff. Grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $3.75 after a 3 off a 2 for 2 of these larger whole blends. It's a larger bottle in honey or this aqua one or coconut water. They're going to be 75 cents for 2 or 38 cents per. And here is your coupon. And there's also a Fructis one. Load it. Maybe you'll find 2 gels or something like that. I mean, that's the beauty of the clearance event. You don't know what you're going to find. Those sky shelves, though, don't be shy to look high. You might find them. This is going to be $1.87. We have, I think, a $3 coupon that's attaching to this product. It is the Old Spice Fiji Total Body. And here it is, the coupon. Load it. It's the it's the whole body line. So you might find some dry sprays or something like that, but I found the brick deodorant. We have the Superman. There is a $2 coupon that's going to drop this friend down to $1.60. There was a body wash one, and I did scan it. The body wash does not have a digital coupon, but the $2 is attaching to this deodorant. And there was still a couple in like a lot of the clearance sections I was visiting. So definitely load this one because, I mean, it's fantastic, especially in the summer months. And also the Gillette Dry Shield for $1.62. We have a $1 coupon for this friend, making it $1.62. It's a lot of deodorants this go around, which is really, really odd. I'm not going to include the detergent and the paper that was in the last clearance event because guess what? It's all gone. I'm not going to send you guys down that rabbit hole, but I am seeing a ton of deodorant and new deodorants that got pulled for this go around. I think we have a 6 off a 2, so it's $1.20 for 2 of these Axe Golden Mangoes. And the expiry is the 27th, so this is good to go. Hopefully you loaded this coupon. I think I loaded it a couple weeks ago. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but I love to have a deodorant in my gym bag, in my purse, in my bathroom. $1.37. That's a price I'm willing to pay for this beautiful coconut one. This $2 digital is attaching, so not bad. And also there's this ivory deodorant. Again, seeing these deodorants in a ton of clearance sections, so I'm looking for the freshest stuff for you guys with the deodorant, literally. This is going to be $1.50. We have a 50-cent coupon, so it's going to drop it down to $1. And here's our little friend, One Ivory Gentle Deodorant. And Ivory is a P&G company, so I think it's just as great as the Secrets. This guy, $4.62. If you look at the expiry date there, it expired last March. Look for one with a fresher expiry date than that. We have a $1 coupon, dropping this down to $4.62. And here is the coupon. If you might be able to find like a smaller bottle that's like $3 or $4, it would make it 2, which is definitely a stock up price. Grabbing 2 of these Pantenes, it's going to be $2.40 after, I think I have a 3 off a 2 coupon. And look for the conditioners, or if you want to grab a set, I think they had a couple different ones. And this is the coupon. It doesn't expire till July the 4th. So, yep, definitely load that one for deals. Maybe you'll find something great. These holiday Palmolives, a couple stores had a bunch left. I don't know why. I don't even know why this didn't penny yet. We have a 75-cent coupon that'll make these 45 cents. So hopefully a couple of them will start moving or you might strike the big bonanza. But this is a weird item that it still hasn't pennied out. But this is the digital coupon and it's finally attaching. So I would get that for 45 cents. I think that's a very good price point. And this Gain, it's like a blueberry scent. A lot of stores still had a bunch of these for whatever reason. I think it's just not as popular as Dawn. We have a 50-cent coupon making that 62 cents. So that is not a bad little deal. And I'm definitely stocking up on those. I think it's basically Dawn. Okay, so now we're just going to show you guys a couple items without digital coupons. The last go round for this, the last 2 clearance events, this Tylenol, for whatever reason, a $2 coupon popped up later in the week, making it $1. And it is this 50 counter of these tablets. We always need Tylenol. A couple food items that I thought that were kind of neat. is this chili lime pistachios. Hey, it's keto and it's $1.90. I'd love for it to be a penny, but it's $1.90. And then we have the Crave cereal by Kellogg's for $1.72. If you have a bunch of hungry teenagers in the house for the summer months, I think $1.72 is a great price point. A lot of pet food, really cheap. The Temptations for $1.57. Check your fetch in case there might be a rebate for that. Wouldn't that be nice? And then the larger 24 counts of the Fancy Feast for $1.25. Pick that up on Saturday with the 5 off 25 and look for the clearance stickers. That's a telltale sign if it's on clearance or not. This expires on July the 1st. $3. Yeah, if you have a bunch of dogs, that's definitely the time to get it. And the Iams cans for $6.40. If you have larger dogs, I think that is a pretty good stock up price. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.